talking about law of attraction, what are affirmations, what is meant by rewiring your brain, okay, and all of these things. So understand one thing, that your success foundation is your mindset. And sadly, this is never taught to us in our schools and colleges. We are never told about working on our mindset, working on our emotional quotient, adversity quotients, and all those quotients. We are only taught about intelligence quotient, how much intelligent you are, how much sharper you are. People think that, successful people are those who are really very intelligent. Well, they are intelligent, but at the same time, they also do have the right kind of mindset and attitude. And to become successful and to design your own dream life, you need to first develop the right kind of mindset and attitude. So today it's all about shifting your mindset, rewiring your brain, and unleashing the power of affirmations. Train your mind to be a guiding force in designing your dream life. Okay, so generally we are only focused on the results. We are only concerned about the outer world, but we forget that there is a deep correlation between the thoughts and the results. And what are our thoughts? Our thoughts actually form our inner world, and the results form our outer world. And unless and until your thoughts are aligned with your results, or in a way your inner world is perfectly aligned to your outer world, you will not be able to get and achieve the kind of results that you want in your life. Okay, so what I mean by that is, let me quickly explain you with the help of an example. Let's say you want a result as to reduce your weight by 5 kgs. Now that's what your outer world is, okay? But at the same time, you are continuously thinking, I cannot do it. It is not possible. I am not the person who can reduce 5 kgs weight in a month or a couple of months. Now here is a disconnect between your thought and the results that you want. So when there is a non-alignment between your thoughts and the results that you desire, you will never be able to achieve those results. So you need to align your inner world with your outer world. Okay? We don't become what we want, rather we become what we believe. So continuing with our previous example, if you want that your weight should be reduced with from 5 kgs, from a particular, let's say you are 80 kgs right now, and you want that you become 75 kgs in a month. That is what you exactly want. But what you believe is you cannot do it. So your belief and your want are two different things. And you will not become what you want, rather you will get what you believe. You'll become what you believe. So you won't be able to reduce your weight. Okay? Mind is like a sponge. It absorbs emotions, feelings, state of mind of people around you. And see, to create a particular mindset, you also need to have those kind of people around you to push you towards that kind of mindset. So if I talk about the previous example, if people around you always tell you, you cannot achieve it, you cannot reduce your weight, just look at your habits, look at your lifestyle, the way you lead your life, you will not be able to. If the people around you continuously hammer it in your subconscious mind that you won't be able to do it, your mind being like a sponge, it absorbs everything that's surrounding you. Okay, so you need to understand, to build a perfect alignment and to have a positive mindset, you should have those kind of people around you as well who motivate you, guide you always. Now this is one of my favorite quote, the third one. If you think you can, you are right. And if you think you can't, you are right. So our mind is like an obedient slave. It will never cross question you. Whatever you think, it will try to help you achieve that. So if you think you can, your actions would be aligned to your thought process, and your mind will help you in doing whatever it takes to achieve. But on the other hand, if you think that I cannot do it, again it will help you in not achieving it. Your actions would be against your goals. So it will do whatever you tell your mind. So it's like, a conversation. Now, depending upon your conversation with your own mind, your actions and results would be directed. So make sure you have a positive and a go-getter kind of conversation. Everything that happens to you is created by you. Now, either you do it consciously or you do it subconsciously or unconsciously. So when you do it consciously, that means that, you don't know, you are not aware that you are actually, doing that thing. For example, if your friends tell you, if your parents, relatives, they keep on hammering, that's happening on an unconscious level. Your mind is like absorbing those thoughts and ideas, and it's getting towards the negative aspect, right? It won't be able to achieve whatever you want. Now, your life is sum total of your own choices. This is you who make choice. So you are the one who can create your dream life, and you are the one who will take yourself away from your dream life. So it all depends upon you. What are you going to choose? Which kind of people? Which kind of mindset? How is your external and internal environment? External environment refers to the people around you.